Using Epsom salt in gardening is not a new concept. This best kept secret has been around for many generations, but does it really work? And if so, how? Let's explore the age old question so many of us have asked at one time or another: why put Epsom salt on plants? Yes, there seem to be good, relevant reasons for using Epsom salts for plants. Epsom salt helps improve flowering, blooming, and enhances a plant's green color, help plants grow bushier. Epsom salt is made up of hydrated magnesium, sulfate, magnesium, and sulfur, which is important to healthy plant growth. Even if you don't believe in its effectiveness, it never hurts to try it. Magnesium allows plants to better take in valuable nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. It also helps in the creation of chlorophyll, which is vital for photosynthesis. In addition, magnesium greatly improves a plant's ability to produce flowers and fruit. If the soil becomes depleted of magnesium, adding Epsom salt will help. And since it poses little danger of overuse like most commercial fertilizers, you can use it safely on nearly all your garden plants. If you want to know how to water plants with Epsom salts, it's easy. Simply substitute it for regular watering either once or twice a month. Keep, in, Keep it in mind that there are a number of formulas out there, so go with whatever works for you. Before applying Epsom salt, however, it's a good idea to have your soil tested to determine whether it's deficient of magnesium. You should also be aware that many plants, like beans and leafy vegetables, will happily grow and produce in soils with low levels of magnesium. Plants like rose, tomatoes, and peppers, on the other hand, require lots of magnesium and therefore are more commonly watered with Epsom salt. When diluted with water, Epsom salt is easily taken up by plants, especially when applied as a foliar spray. Most plants can be misted with a solution of 2 tablespoons, means 30 ml of Epsom salt per gallon of water once a month. For more frequent watering every other week, cut this back to 1 tablespoon, means 15 ml. With roses, you can apply a foliar spray of 1 tablespoon per gallon of water for each foot 31 centimeter of the shrub's height. Apply in spring as leaves appear and then again after flowering. Guys, Epsom salt is my favorite fertilizer and I am using it frequently. Do you know Epsom salt helps improve flower blooming and enhances a plant's green color? It can even help plants grow bushier. That's why I am using Epsom salt for my money plant and you can see the result. It can even help plants bushier. Epsom salt is made up of hydrated magnesium sulfate, which is important to healthy plant growth. Do you know what is Epsom salt? Epsom salt is also known as magnesium sulfate is a naturally produced mineral which consists of magnesium and sulfur. It really dissolves in water, releasing positively charged magnesium ions and negatively charged sulfate ions. The name of Epsom salt comes after Epsom in England, where water the high levels of magnesium sulfate and is used in the rain's historic space. Let's quickly look about the what is the role of magnesium in plant growth. Magnesium is a highly essential nutrient for the plant and minimum amounts of magnesium are necessary for chlorophyll formation of the leaves of the plant. In case of magnesium deficiency, the leaves will have a characteristics have chlorosis patterns where the veins remain green but tissues between the veins turn yellow. Magnesium is an exchangeable cation and the that behaves like the calcium and potassium in the soil. In case when coming to sulfate, it is a mineral form of sulfur that found in nature, which is a highly important nutrient for plant life. Sulfate is an essential element of the plant growth.